What's up, guys? I am back from vacation. Of course, first day I get back, I get called out to help out another local company for an emergency job. We were pumping all night, very long day. I appreciate them calling, and I'm glad I could go help. Now, and I just got back from over there, and now I'm headed to put in a drain field. I haven't been asleep, and I don't even know when, but I got to get this drain field in for this guy. I'm gonna go put this drain field in right now, and hopefully it all goes good. Hopefully I don't fall asleep on the machine. We'll see. All right, we are here. Gonna get this drain field started. This one was the one that it was installed originally in 2009, and it failed. It's already in failure, and the contractor that did it wasn't willing to warranty it. They were willing to replace it for more than we were, so we got the job. It's just the way the business goes. But the tank is there. It's a fiberglass tank, so we'll probably end up having to do some hand digging to keep from damaging it. We don't want to get around it with the machine, and then drain field's going out there. Let's do it. We're almost done digging this thing out, getting all graded. I've said this in a couple other videos, but I need some goddamn help.
Whew. All right, so I got the drain field laid in. It's late, it's like 6:30, and I'm very tired, but I had to get this drain field in. I'm gonna come back in the morning and pipe it in. We got it all laid in though. I'll get it piped in and inspected tomorrow. But right now, I'm about to fall asleep operating this machine. That's not good for anybody, so I'm gonna go home and sleep finally. Well, we are finished and covered. Looks pretty decent, I would say. So we're gonna get to raking, but we're out, we're done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and comment. Let me know what you think. But I'm done. This one was nice for a change. It was easy. I haven't had one of those in a while, but thank you guys for watching. I'm out. Looky, looky, looky. Look how pretty that turned out. You may ask, was that a power rake? When'd you get one, Josh? Nah. This is the only power rake in my fleet. It looks pretty though. Thanks for watching.